Is your garage door getting stuck or operating unevenly? Well, you're not alone. Many homeowners face this common issue. One of the main culprits could be the tracks on either side of the door. If they are misaligned or bent, this can cause these frustrating issues. Misaligned or bent tracks can disrupt the smooth operation of your garage door, leading to inconvenience and potential damage. It's important to address these issues promptly to avoid further complications. If you're in the Bulli area, call 0409-774-111 to have your garage door repaired by qualified professionals. Don't wait, get your garage door back on track today.